In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 1, 2, or 3-letter monograms in Microsoft Word. Monograms are a stylish way to personalize documents, invitations, or designs, and Microsoft Word provides simple tools to create them quickly and professionally. To start, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once your document is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on Word Art. Choose a word art style that you like. This will allow you to easily manipulate the text and make it visually appealing. Next, type the letters for your monogram. For a single-letter monogram, just type one letter, such as A. For 2-letter or 3-letter monograms, type the letters in the order you prefer. Many traditional monograms for 2 or 3 letters use a specific arrangement. For 2 letters, they are usually side by side, while for 3 letters, the middle letter is often larger or represents a surname. You can adjust the size of each letter individually to create a balanced look. Once your letters are typed, you can customize the font, size, and color. Go to the Home tab and select a font that fits the style you want, such as a script or serif font for a classic monogram look. Adjust the size of each letter as needed to create emphasis, especially if you're making a 3-letter monogram with a larger middle letter. After formatting the text, you can further enhance the monogram by using word artifacts or applying text formatting such as bold, italics, or shadows. You can also rotate or reposition the letters using the rotation handle to create a unique layout that suits your design. If you want, you can add a decorative frame or border around your monogram. Use the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and select a circle, square, or custom shape to surround the letters. Then, adjust the size and formatting of the shape to complement your monogram design. Once you're happy with the arrangement, save your document. You can also copy and paste your monogram into other documents or export it as an image for use in invitations, stationery, or other projects. And that's it. You now know how to create 1, 2, or 3-letter monograms in Microsoft Word. This technique allows you to make personalized, professional-looking designs quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.